Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And here we have another radio from Jeff's collection. This is very unusual. It's a GE AM/FM armband radio. He doesn't know when it was produced. He got it off the Facebook Marketplace for $10. Very bright yellow. This is where the strap goes around your arm. Right here in this little pocket is where you put your earbuds, earphones. See if I can close that back down. There we go. And you normally would, I believe, take it out of the case, tune it to a station you want, and then put it back in the case, and then put the strap on your arm. And we take it out of the case for you. Uses one AAA battery. There it is. Has very precise tuning. Very smooth tuning. This is the on-off band select switch right there. And then this is the volume control. Over here, the cover's missing. I don't know if Jeff got it that way originally. There's the battery compartment. But of course, when you have it in the case here, it keeps the battery from falling out. There is the headphone jacks. It does not have a speaker, so I can't show you any audio or, whatever. Bright yellow. Perfect condition, except it doesn't have the battery cover, which I said it didn't need. Works pretty cool, and I love this tuning. Tuning is very precise. See if I can get the camera to focus. No, good old camera won't focus. There we go. See it? Move ever so slightly. Pretty cool. Again, this is a GE armband radio. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.